With a common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, what's going on? A little bit of selling as we expected, coming down to the buy zones we were looking at. So I wanted to give a quick update. How is everybody? Maybe give a second to get a few more people in here. Looks like we slowed up for a second. Looks like we got a good feed going, so it should be good. What's up, Richism? So one thing we've added to this chart is the arrow, the blue arrows to the right, because on the OP down here, lower right, you can see we've made a new low on the volume. My price is much higher. That's a bullish divergence. Technometer is 40.24. 38's a buy signal to get you a green circle. So we're not there yet, but we're close. What's up, Anna? So we got the Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. Let me grab that here real quick. Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. What's up, Turkish? You can see, switch screens here. You can see lower right, 40.24, Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. 40 is the green circle buys that have been very good, going back even farther than this chart. So it looks like we're getting very close to a buy signal in the alts. No, Robert, it's not TradingView. It's actually my own software, but it looks like the building blocks of a somewhat TradingView type software, but it's got our proprietary indicators added to it. So again, 40.24 Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. That tells you that Ethereum, Litecoin, some of these are coming down to buy areas. Also some of the mid caps, small caps that we look at. So that's good for here. Let's look at Ethereum. Real quick, we got Ethereum, 38.14 is where the green line is. Actually, Ethereum is right around 39.8. So once again, coming down to the buy level. What's up, Mike? So again, that looks good. Before we go any further on some of these coins, let's go to the Elliott wave count that I've been showing. I talked about last time I was on here that wave 4 would go sideways for another day or two, and that's exactly what we did. And then a breakdown to around 56,500. And Robert, we do have a paid group, patreon.com/learncrypto. If you pay there $40 a month, you will get invite to the Discord. We got about 500 and I don't know what it is, 540 people, I believe, over there. So again, this is the count. If we zoom in on this, this is a 45-minute chart. I was calling for something down around 56.5, just here, kind of eyeing that. If we zoom in to a 5-minute chart, what we're looking for maybe is 5 waves on that 5-minute. I like to change that to a line chart to take out some of the extra. I think if you look at that, if you want to get cute with Elliott wave, I'm guessing that's a 1-2. We did the 3. We're going to mouse around for a 4. Going to come down one more time to a new low for the move. Down, let's say something down below 56,000 possibly. Something like that. That'll be the 5 waves. And that'll mop up the low. Going back to the 45-minute chart. So that's what I'm looking for. A little bit lower. Let's change this back. So with that in mind, we're going to look, let's go to stocks real quick before we blow through a bunch of these charts. So if we look at stocks, we've got SPY. I've been looking for sideways to down. SPY right near the highs again, technometer 45.6. Still hoping for a pullback. I think stocks are headed higher for weeks and months probably. That's going to help crypto continue higher as well. Wyckoff Wave Growth Index, you can see 45.33 about neutral. Would love to see another week down here, but we'll see if we can get that. I do have the DIA, Dow Jones ETF. That technometer is down at 39.23, which is close to really buy levels. Our Wyckoff Wave is down to 41.25, so that's down close to buy levels. While we're here, 20-year treasuries, TLT. I've been talking about being bearish here, even at that 152 high. We're getting a bounce, technometer 49. This is going to be a sell, maybe another day and a half higher, I believe, on the TLT. And then we've got GDX. GDX coming down to oversold. I think the dollar's coming off. I think metals can continue higher. That could come down oversold here quickly in the next couple days. And the US dollar, UUP, the UUP ETF, technometer's 57, extreme overbought. I still think that market probably is topping out here, and you could be short that. So stocks hopefully turn down for another buy signal. And then we'll look to jump on that. Let's go back to crypto. Most people in here right now are looking at crypto. What up, Asher? So let me look here. Link. I got some of these I've been throwing into the Discord, so I'm going to bring them up real quick. Here's Link, Tether consolidated. You can see as of today, oversold technometer. Blue lines show a buy divergence. OP hitting new lows while price is holding higher. So yeah, I think Link's okay here. Again, if we fall one more time this afternoon, tomorrow I might get a chance to buy a little cheaper than right now, but I think those are good. So you could get on Link. While we're here, let's ENJ, as Asher mentions, major holding up. Technometer gave a buy, a week ago. Right now we're 44 neutral. So ENJ is looking good here. Let's look at Mana. Here's Mana right now. That one neutral, but some of these are neutral because they're holding up extremely strong. So Mana looks really good here. No problem owning that one. Let's go back to CHR. I thought CHR was in the system, but it's not. I've added all the ones from Monday, so CHR I got to add. Again, Luna, I just thought I had Luna up. I got a lot going on here today. Luna 41.4 technometer. So not a buy yet, but coming down to that. I think that one's okay here, or slightly lower. I'm going to run through some of these I've already done the charts on. So we've got ADA, 40.18 technometer, coming down for a little deeper backup than we wanted, but I think that one's probably okay. ANKR, That looks like a backup as well, holding up really nice the last 4 or 5 days. Technometer 46.6. A and KR could be good. BNB. Nick had a sell up there at 650. Tried to buy, what, 515, I believe, this morning. Just missed it so far, but nice scalp there. CRV. That's one I've liked. That's the one I still like. That one looks like a bigger jump and a backup. That one should lead us higher. DOT. DOT. Appreciate it, Jay Keith. DOT 38.2 is oversold. We're right around 40. So DOT, again, strong coin, should go higher. Ethereum down at 39.7 on the technometer, so right down nearby. We've got a buy divergence in the last month, so that one, Ethereum should be able to lead us higher. SOL 39.86, coming down to oversold. So you can see a lot of these are near oversold. XLM 40.7. Zen ones we've liked. Zen came close to a buy 3 days ago. Sitting here 43.5. That one's trying to hold up. I think Zen's okay. Let's close these out. Go back to the software live. Easier to bring them up real quick like I just did. Let's go back to, I showed ADA. Here's near. Tether consolidated. Hold on a second. I'm going to have to reload here real quick. Too much going on. Again, near Tether consolidated. Let's go to the 9 months so we can get a better look at these things. Near had that good buy signal there a couple months ago. Let's see what the technometer is. I haven't looked at this one today. Bitcoin 57,700. Let's see if we can leak out a little bit more here. All right, you can see lower right, technometer 38.29 is oversold. We're right at that. You've got almost the OP hitting another right at the lows. So I think near will catch itself here and turn higher. Do your own research, not individual investment advice. But some of these coins look good. Bitcoin target, I mean, I think a hair lower here, and then I think we go to new highs again, maybe 100,000. We'll see how the rally looks if we're correct and we get going. There is some bearish counts. I don't believe in them at the moment, but we will watch them. CRO, Tether consolidated. Chart's not going to go back very far. Technometer 46.53. Holding up really well the last 2 days after making a high, so that one should be okay. Algo, Tether consolidated. What up, Gomo? Algo got a green fat finger there, so see what the technometer looks like after that. XVG, I think I do have it on it, Ron. Algo technometer loading. All right, a lot of sell volume off the high, so that technometer is down to 36. So I would say Algo will turn higher from here as well. Cake, Tether consolidated. What up, Robert? Cheers. Appreciate it, Asher. Technometer 41.18 on Cake. That one much weaker than we would like. So that one looks like it's got some short-term problems. Should be a buy here for a bounce, but we'll see how that bounces. not acting the best currently. What up, Moonshine? XVG tether consolidated. What up, Patrick? Give you a wrench. Here's XVG. My older name, we haven't traded in a while. 41.31. Not much to add there on XVG. DYDX tether consolidated. I think the Bitcoin bottom, yeah, it's close to end. Maybe did that today. We missed buys by $70 to $90. A few people got filled. We're trying to buy another new low. Here's DYDX. You can see volume's been in a steep downtrend with price. Technometer new oversold. I mean, that one could bounce. Not a strong coin, so not my favorite. ENS, if you've asked for that, it should be in here. ENS tether consolidated. Need some more time to grab some data. 42.17 on the technometer. I can't add much there yet. Not built. Litecoin came back much deeper than I thought it would. Technometer here. I think Litecoin, again, made a low or close to it. Technometer 40.54, so not oversold, but close. COTI. Tether Binance. Let's bring up that 9-month. That's one that Nick trades. He caught the low down there at 30. Looks like a spring in an uptrend. Some people that know Wyckoff only trade up thrusts and downtrends, springs and uptrends. So it sprung the low there at 0.428 or so today and 2 days ago. Technometer 41.64. You've got the OP hitting new lows here, so that's another decent divergence. So again, maybe a little lower, but that one could bounce here as well. A lot of sell volume there. Let me save that. OMG got slapped quite a bit as well. OMG Tether Binance. What's up, QAZWSX? Bitcoin's close to a low, but not there yet, maybe. But definitely down here. I don't think you can get hurt buying things down here if you want to. Not much to add on OMG, 42 on the technometer. No glaring buy there, but again, has to be okay here soon. NAKA, I have to add to the software. CRO, I just did. Sand, Tether consolidated. That one continuing to explode higher. I'd said strong coins get stronger. That's your proof there. That one looks like it's got more to go then. RACA Tether consolidated. That one, nice rally, nice pullback. Technometer 39.9. That one should be good to go higher as well. Shout out to you if you've got those. FTM Tether consolidated. Bitcoin 57,950. Let's bring up this longer term chart here. Broke out of the uptrend. Well, we've got continued sell pressure. I would think FTM as well. Let's see the technometer reading. See if any selling's overdone. Around 37's been recent buys. We're 41.4. So again, new lows OP price holding. I think that one's still okay. One tether consolidated. I'm going to run through a few more here, then I'm going to give back for the stock closing. 144.38. That was a nice strong one, so looks like back to previous support at 22. That one here, slightly lower, looks good. CHZ tether consolidated. I think I just did that one. That one should be okay as well. Technometer 41.14. Not there yet, but I would like that. Atom. Tether Binance. This one falling back a little deeper than I would have wanted, but I think probably we're still doing a bigger backup here with just major weakness in Bitcoin, so I think this one will be all right. Atom. Technometer 40.8. So again, most of these are close to buys, but maybe not there yet. Matic I had put up. Let me grab that one. No, I guess I didn't. Take that back. Matic. Tether consolidated. Matic I like here as well. Made a 220 back to $1.50. Volume pretty light. $42.8 on the technometer. This bull market, I think it lasts a lot of next year. Tynox, Ocean, Tether, Binance. I've not marked this chart up, it doesn't look like. Neutral technometer 44. Not much to add there. CRV I will show again. That's one that we talked about down there at 280, 290 when it was doing the backup. So I like CRV here quite a bit. Here's GAX. Hold on, let's see if this is going to come up. This is GHX KRW. Bid hum. 37.7. You can see OP in a major downtrend while price is holding. I would like that. GAX. Let's go back to GAX Tether Qcoin. Chart's looking the same. And technometer 43.37. So GX, I would guess that's reaccumulation. We're headed higher. AVAX, Tether consolidated, 9-month, right at the highs. That thing don't stop, won't stop. Tech's going to be high because the volume continues to follow that to the upside. So AVAX surely is going to continue higher. What up, Mark? Dalton, we're going to look. There's AVAX technometer 46.34. Just been so strong. STORJ Tether consolidated. Had the big bump. RNDR, I will bring that up. That's one that I have been looking at. Appreciate it, Akru. 43 on the tech here. OP new lows since that last spike, so that one should be able to continue higher. RNDR. Tether consolidated, continuing higher off the oversold tech and the bullish divergence. I talked about that, I believe, a couple days ago. They've been strong, probably continue. Just keeps going. Tech 46.78. Nothing wrong there, looks higher. SLP, Tether consolidated. I'm going to do about 5 more here, and then I'm going to get out of here. SLP at the lows. I don't like a coin that's weak. 40.95 tech. So probably will bounce, but not a favorite. SLP. H bar was holding in nicely. Tether consolidated. Let's show this one. This has been one of credible cryptos that he is really likes. Let's let this load, see what this looks like here. That 48 was a false breakout. More of a short-term up thrust. Technometer 41.16. So that one I think resolves the upside still. UNFI, Tether consolidated. Appreciate it, David. Again, I'm going to get out of here in just a minute. This is going to be my last one. I'm going to do DIA after this. Technometer on UNFI 40.13. That's obviously oversold. Again, not a strong coin, but should bounce. DIA, Tether consolidated. Same type of thing. Not a strong coin, should bounce. 42 on the tech. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to get back to the stock closing. Let's go back. Anybody came in late? I was looking for 5 waves down, light blue. We've been getting that. It looks like on the wave 5 of light blue, we could have another downdraft. So low is in, or maybe a little bit lower. I don't think you can go wrong picking some things up here. Much cheaper than they have been. I'm on a disclaimer because I am a registered investment advisor, so here we go.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
Do your own research. That's for stocks and crypto, not individual investment advice. So patreon.com/learncrypto. $40 a month. John, what's going on? I'm going to run CRV again for you because I like that coin. We've been on that one. Looks like a jump and a backup. Holding in nicely even the last 3 days. So CRV looks good. So WyckoffSMI.com. Original Institute. Mr. Wyckoff started in 1931. I'm going to run a couple commercials. Private client group. We manage stock and crypto assets. And I'm out of here. Shout out to the 431. Give me a like or a share or something. Follow me on Twitter, Wyckoff on Crypto. Learn Crypto Show. Wyckoff on Stocks. Stocks, would like to see a pullback for 4 or 5 days to give me another solid buy after being a buy at the last low. And crypto, hopefully a little bit lower. Thank you, and I'm out of here.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/LearnCrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Are you intrigued by cryptocurrency, but just aren't sure how you can get started investing? Maybe you are simply too busy to trade your own cryptocurrency account since it is 365 24/7. Don't hold back any longer. With LearnCrypto.io, you can have a seasoned professional show you how. Todd W. Butterfield is a leader in trading with numerous real money trading successes to his name over the years. He owns LearnCrypto.io, the original Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, WyckoffSMI.com, as well as the Black Bay Group, a registered investment advisor. He has also created state-of-the-art software, consolidating over 100 plus crypto exchanges volume, as well as his own Wyckoff proprietary indicators. With today's stressful and busy lifestyles, isn't it time you considered having a knowledgeable investor manage your crypto account? In these unprecedented times, it is the perfect season to seriously consider LearnCrypto.io's private client group and add cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio.
We'll see you all again